Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl BJ Special. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how to process palm oil in Africa. So if this is a video you would be interested in watching, please stick around and do not forget to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. So guys, palm fruits are gotten from palm tree oil. Palm fruits takes 4 years to grow up and continue to produce its fruits for about 30 years, okay? So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process. After bringing the palm fruits from the farm, the next thing you do is to start cutting it. After cutting it, then you will start picking of the palm fruits. So guys, that's my dad doing the picking, and we have this thing that looks like seed that we normally use in sieving out the palm fruit, okay? In palm oil production, nothing is a waste, okay? Because after you have gotten the palm oil, there is palm nut and there is also fiber you can use in making your firewood, and there is no waste in this production. There is no waste at all. There is no waste in this production. So guys, this stage is somehow tedious and somehow stressful. It is not an easy task actually, okay? In this stage, you need a lot of hand to do this so that the work will be very fast and easy, okay? So guys, remember what I told you, that in palm oil production, nothing is a waste. You can see that thing you are looking at now, it is not even a waste. You're going to burn it into ashes, and the ashes you will use it to do what is called ungo that you use in preparing your abacha or your oba. So in palm oil production, there is no waste product. There is no waste product at all. So guys, when we are done picking the palm fruit, we're going to pack it into the sack bag or into a cement bag or any bag at all that you have available, or maybe into an empty rice bag. Then we're going to take it to the engine for the final procession. Okay, you can see how it is properly packed inside the bag. We're going to carry it to the engine for the next step. So guys, you can see the drum. So we're going to fill this drum now with the palm fruit. After filling the drum with palm fruit, we'll go ahead to add water into the drum, okay? Like I said before, this palm oil production is not actually an easy task. It requires a whole lot of hands. It requires a whole lot of division of labor. You need people around to help you do one or two things. It's not what one person does alone, no. It requires enough hands so that the work will be very easy and fast. So guys, here we are. Usually we'll set the fire in the night, and when it is morning, it is ready for the pounding process, okay? So just add enough firewood into the fire and make sure the fire is on and you're good to go.
Hours later.
So guys, as you can see, this is the next day, the next morning. So the palm fruit is done and it is ready for the next step, which is the pounding step, okay? It's a machine that usually do the pounding, okay? And it makes it easy and more fast. So guys, after the pounding, the next step is to put it into another engine that will separate the oil from the fiber and the nut. Okay, you can see how it is being done. You can see how they are extracting the oil from the palm nut. You can see the oil. Like I told you, this work is not for the weak, and it is not actually easy. Okay, this is how the palm oil that we use in our cooking is being produced. You can see the step by step on how it is being produced. So guys, this is another step. After extracting the oil, the next step is to start separating the palm nuts from the fiber. This is usually done by the village women, and they have a process how they do it. After separating it, they will share it and divide with the owner of the palm oil. Okay, you can see how they are actually doing it. Like I said, this is a work for division. It is not done by one or two persons. So guys, here we are. The palm oil is ready. You can see how fresh the palm oil is looking. Okay, if you know you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to share this video and give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up so that other people can as well benefit and see this video. Okay, this is the process in which the palm oil that we used in cooking is being produced. It is not an easy step. It requires a lot of hard work before the final stage. Okay, if you have watched this video to this point, I really do appreciate you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.